Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up two-factor authentication on Twitter. Click on your Twitter application and then click the profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. After clicking it, click the settings and support and click the settings and privacy. Now, click the security and account access and then click the security tab. As you can see here, the two-factor authentication is here. Now click on this and click the authentication app. Simply turn it on and then get started and link app. We will link our X account to the Authenticator app, and this Authenticator app will generate a 6-digit code that we have to paste into our X account. So just simply do this and hit confirm, and that's it. As you can see here, I have now successfully set up two-factor authentication on my Twitter account, and that is how to set up two-factor authentication on Twitter. And thank you for listening.